My name is Dominic DiBernardo. I'm the Director of Operations. It's an operational finance role, and I run all the annual planning, monthly reporting, and forecasting here at the company. We're a consulting firm in the construction management space. We offer cost management and project management services, and we've been around for about 20 years this year. The biggest struggle was not only aggregating those the different Excel files out there to make sure you had the right version, but also battling version control with the different Excel files that were out there. Excel itself is a very robust tool outside of the box. There's just some weaknesses that I think Vena fulfills. It acts as that multi-dimensional database on the back end that allows for two-way communication, and then that single source of truth, which eliminates a lot of that Excel or spreadsheet issues that you have with formula issues or version control, audit control, workflow, and that kind of stuff. Excel has been a tool that has been around for the last 3 decades, and it's something that people are very familiar with, and I wanted to have a very high adoption rate and a very short learning curve. I liken Vena to getting a Ferrari for the price of a Cadillac, right? A Cadillac is a very nice car, but if you can get a Ferrari for the same price, you're going to go with the Ferrari, and I really think Vena has proven to be that Ferrari for the price of the Cadillac when you compare it to the competition. And I think it's way more robust than a lot of the other Excel-based vendors that are out there.